How to create and adjust volume reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smooth volume adjustment effect in CapCut, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now, select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Adjust Volume, or just search for it. Tap on Adjust Volume to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see the video reveal with a smooth audio volume transition effect that adds more impact to the intro. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel quicker and more energetic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more cinematic transition effect. Now, preview the animation and adjust the timing so the effect matches your video properly. And that's it. That's how you can create and adjust volume reveal animation in CapCut Mobile easily.